Traditional virtual reality allows us to peer into all sorts of exciting experiences. But what we see doesn't line up with what we feel, making object interactions awkward and breaking our feeling of immersion. Rumble responses and button clicks are the norm, but leave much to be desired. Newer technologies can provide better experiences. Linkdyne's Series Elastic Arms provide precise, multi-dimensional force feedback over a large range of motion, producing more engaging, more immersive VR experiences. Force-controlled actuators let you feel the push and pull of the VR environment, wherever you move. We can improve virtual experiences by feeling the impact, weight, and friction of our VR environments and the objects within them. And we can improve the effectiveness of dexterous skills training by providing complex combinations of interaction forces that accurately mimic real-world tasks.